In case you haven't heard, Ton is getting a ton of attention lately. If you haven't already, make sure to check out our previous video to learn everything you need to know about Ton. But since that video, Ton has witnessed a period of notable growth. For example, Pantera Capital recently announced their investment of an undisclosed amount in Ton and named it their largest investment ever. So, what's happening with Ton? Well, let's dive right into it. Okay, first let's talk about some significant numbers. Toncoin, or Ton, has broken into the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap, rising to an all-time high of 25 billion on April 12, 2024. On top of that, it also reached its all-time high price of 8.25 on June 15, 2024. Meanwhile, the Ton chain reached a TVL high of over 1 billion in late July, which is roughly a 16-time increase from the start of the year. At the time of this video, Ton is number 22 on the largest chain by TVL list out of 311, or at number 7 if we're only looking at non-EVM chains. In June this year, the number of average daily active addresses on Ton surpassed Ethereum's when it almost reached 500,000 addresses. Another impressive achievement from Ton happened on May 16th this year when the blockchain onboarded more than 1 million new users in 24 hours. Others that have seen similar growth in a one-day period include Binance, Coinbase, and Axie Infinity. All this Ton growth comes hot on the heels of the introduction of USDT to the Ton blockchain. On April 19th, 2024, USDT, also known as Tether, officially launched on the Ton blockchain.
We are announcing the launch of USDT on Ton.
On-chain activated wallets grew from over 1 million at the start of the year to almost 9.5 million by the end of June. May saw the highest growth from 3.6 million to 6.5 million, coinciding with the launch of USDT. Adoption of USDT Ton was partly driven by the Ton Foundation's allocation of 11 million Toncoin towards user incentives, which included 5 million Toncoin to boost Ton/USDT liquidity pools on decentralized exchanges ddust and Ston.fi. Adding to that, OKX, KuCoin, MEXC, and Bybit enabled the USDT Ton deposits and free withdrawals to Ton. They also partnered up with Ton Foundation to hold a Learn and Earn campaign where participants could earn from exciting prize pools of Toncoin and USDT. Aside from USDT's launch on Ton, the blockchain also benefited from the growing popularity of tap-to-earn games.
Just keep tapping. The more you tap, the more points we get.
Since Ton connects Telegram users to Web3 projects through integrated wallets and mini apps, the process of accessing and onboarding users is a smooth one. Users can enjoy simple gameplay while earning rewards within the Telegram app on their devices. For example, Toncoin is a tap-to-earn game launched on Telegram that attracted over 40 million players since launching on New Year's Day. Remember how we mentioned earlier that Ton onboarded over 1 million new users in a day? Well, that milestone actually coincides with the minting and listing of Toncoin. Meanwhile, Telegram-based game Hamster Combat claims that it's the third fastest app ever to onboard and surpass 150 million users, behind Pokemon Go and Instagram's Threads. Some other popular games include TapSwap, that is more than 50 million users, and YesCoin, which surpassed 26 million active players in under 1 month. Now, an exciting tech upgrade for users and developers to look forward to is that Ton is working on EVM compatibility by introducing a new Layer 2 solution based on Polygon's technology. This would enable bringing EVM-based dApps to Ton with the intention to increase the variety of applications that Ton users can access within DeFi, gaming, and more. To further add to the utility of Toncoin and USDT on Ton, the two tokens have been integrated on Trivala.com, a crypto-native online travel platform. This integration will allow holders to choose from more than 2 million hotels, over 600 airlines, and at least 410,000 activities in more than 230 countries, and select TON or USDT as their choice of payment. Other than that, 3 new projects have entered the TON ecosystem, featuring novel decentralized exchange or DEX models. Ion Finance is the first concentrated liquidity DEX on TON that utilizes an order execution model within its hybrid order book, AMM. This system enables users to allocate funds into specific price segments to make liquidity more efficient while reducing slippage. Meanwhile, TON Diamonds is a new JETON DEX aggregator that aggregates liquidity from StonFi and DDoS by combining liquidity from multiple DEXs into one place. The project has also launched a Telegram mini app to reach out to more users. The third newcomer is Trade, a derivatives DEX that lets users trade with up to 100 times leverage on its Bitcoin and Ethereum perpetuals. As for what's coming next, part of their upcoming roadmap includes the introduction of a JETON bridge. JETONs are essentially the name for tokens issued on TON, like how tokens on Ethereum are called ERC20s. This bridge will allow users to transfer JETONs to the Ethereum or BSC network. One more effort towards cross-chain interoperability will be TON Teleport. In July, the TON Foundation introduced TON Teleport, a planned project for the ecosystem that will allow users to bridge Bitcoin between the Bitcoin blockchain and TON, apparently without any central intermediary. This will also open up more opportunities for Bitcoin-based DeFi protocols on TON. Now, their roadmap suggests that there is also a ton of other tech upgrades coming up in the future. That's it for today's video. Let us know in the comments below if you discovered something new about TON or if there's something we missed. In the meantime, be sure to like this video and subscribe to stay updated on what's happening in crypto.